In this video, we will go over how to repair Outlook. This can fix many common Outlook issues. For this example, we will be using Outlook 2019. Outlook 2010 and up are the same steps. The written version, which includes other versions, are in the video description. Open the Start menu and click on the gear icon. Click on Apps. Locate Office in the list. Depending on the version, it may appear as Office Then a Year or Office 365. Note how there is no Modify option for this listing. This is because there is a different version we must use. This varies based on the version of Office. Click Modify. It is recommended to try a quick repair first. You can try an online repair after if the quick repair does not resolve the issue, but be aware you may need to manually reinstall Office after an online repair. Click on the Repair button. Click Repair again. Choose to close Office programs if prompted. A quick repair typically takes a few minutes to complete. The online repair can take far longer. After the repair completes, you can open and use Outlook. The written version is linked below. There are steps for Outlook 2003, Outlook 2007, and the Windows Store version.